It is very important to always blow bubbles when you go underwater. Do not hold your breath.
Okay, Lou, we're gonna start with our bubbles. We're gonna do 5 bubbles. I will count for you. Let's come over to this wall right here.
What? This wall?
Yep, and let's put your 2 hands on the wall. Now, I want you to do your bubbles like this, okay? So you're gonna hold onto the wall with 2 hands. Always have 2 hands. Drop down and gently blow bubbles 5 times.
Inhale the air, then exhale into the water.
1, 2, slow down. 3, good. 4, 5, nice work.
This video is part of the DIY Teach Your Child How to Swim curriculum. Keep watching for more information on how to teach your child or visit swimkim.com.